It's all in the eye of the beholder, right? If somebody really wants a stamped concrete driveway, we will work with them to see if that's really what's best for their space. We as experts, meaning Kyle and myself, who have been foremen in the field for a combined 2 decades and have been through the ringer when it comes to meeting different homeowners with different requests and needs, we will take a look at what your project needs and also what you want, and we'll try and make what works best for you come to life.